All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys had a great weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. Had a great time with you guys on Saturday morning. I think we might do that on a regular basis. That was really cool, really productive. Um, yeah, man, hit that like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. We're here every market open. Try to be. What we got on watch today? BDSX and OM, I would say. I was watching JAGX, but it looks dead, yo. It got destroyed. So I don't know. We'll see. Um, but yeah, I think OM was the nicest looking thing we got going on. Six, we got one more up here at 31. All right. And BDS 642. Okay. 677. 715 and 750. 750. All right. I think we need that. This thing closed around 6. Might have to take that joint. Yo, 3 Pony. What's going on? Yeah, I kind of liking this. Close above 6. We're going to have to go in. We're going to have to go in. It's still kind of high, though, honestly. Yeah, it's a little too low. I think 560 is probably the best spot. Getting hot already, bro. Oh, gotta boil my tea water. What time is it? Got a couple minutes. I want to see 560, man. Come on down. I know it did 3 pony, but I wanted to close a lot closer to it. Cause like if I buy it at the EMA, I'm gonna want to risk down to 560, which will mean I would have to buy it right at the EMA. But I think we can get one more push down, either back to low a day or 560. Here we go. Yeah, buddy, come on down. Come on down. The water's fine. That might be close enough right there. You think OM is finished for real? I'm hoping to like crazy volume spike into 560. It's that Dirk entry right here, man. Close is 76. 77 would be trigger. All right, there's 560. Yeah, it looks pretty severely. Okay. Yo, what up, OG? Wave Rider. What's up, bro? I thought OM was looking really great, but yeah, it's looking weak now. BDSX came out strong at the open. Mm-hmm. All right, that idea is broken. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Looks pretty bad. Might as well come on down to 524 now. I know Stanford. It's just like brutal. Come on, big volume into 524. I'll take it off 524, Bobby. I ain't scared. Oh yeah, big volume spike. I'll take it. Right into the close of the 5. Just gotta stay right here for 1 minute. Nice double bottom on the 1 would be very exciting. Yeah, this on Trey's watch list. It's clean. Mm-hmm. You gotta come back down though. Come on back down a little bit. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Literally about to take the entry. I ain't never seen that happen. Hockey just broke everything. Oh my God. Did I miss it? Oh, I got in. Okay. What is happening? Bruh. All my lines are gone. Yo, what up, Brian? Hey, they were getting at it in the Discord this morning, BLT. I don't mess with it though. That's what's up. Yeah, EVTV went off. Well, I don't know how this is gonna go, folks. My platform closes on every execution, but see what happens. I really want 6. 560 ain't really nothing. Yeah, I got BDF. Actually, I need to rearrange BDSX. BDSX looks super strong today. Save that right quick. Oh boy. Yeah, I got major issues on this Windows version. I downloaded another fresh copy of 11 yesterday. I just got to set it all up. So I got to set up my broker on that one too, so I can use that. I'm gonna delete this version of Windows. It's all bugged out. Yeah, if I can get to 6, bro, I will be elated and we can close up shop. That'll be the day. Straight up. Give me 6, man. That hourly looking quite dastardly off the highs, though. We need a big rush to come in. DOS crash report.exe. I'll send that. I got an error trying to upload the report. That's hilarious. What up, Focus? Already done, huh? Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Mm, that's got to be interesting when you're playing around that PDT price. You're gonna be out of there in a minute, though, B. I don't know. Yeah, this might have been too nasty of a pullback to jump in, but we'll see. Yeah, and apparently they released their unaudited earnings, and it was great. I guess I didn't even really read it. BDSX focus, which I need to put my levels back on because my computer decided to spaz out on me. 642, 677. And 750. Thanks, Knives. What up, bro? Dang, bro. BDSX was the one. You had to get in there like at 8 o'clock, though. Yeah, it definitely would have been nice to get in closer to 524. That'll be the day when I just start buying the level, but that's too much of a knife catch to me. I gotta at least wait for that joint to close. Cause like if I would have tried to buy 6, it would just been like a dumb loss. Ooh, new high on the 5. Like that. It's gotta go though. I think it's gonna pull back first. I was hoping for more like a V, big down, big up, but I can chill with a slow grind. What up, Leon? How you been, bro? Dang, bro, BDSX is going off, bro. Come on, OM, you can do it too. You can do it too, OM. Them shorts gotta go. Shorter than Q. That's what's up. What you been doing lately, Leon? More trades on the NQ or more trades on stocks? Yeah, see, I'm just worried this is gonna be a lower high. I kind of expect it to be a lower high, actually. The question is, are we gonna get a higher low afterwards? That is the question. Oh, nice. That's a good thing. It's looking pretty solid for a push to 6 at this point, though. Ooh, look at that. Boy, you getting saucy now. Getting saucy now. 577. Oh, yeah? Like outside of trading? Hmm. What's your business, if you don't mind sharing? If you do, it's all good. Oh, yeah? Sounds fun. Come on now. You got to hold 560 now. You hold 560? We done caught the dream. Might make Dirk proud today. I better stop doing stuff for this thing crash forever. Stopped out on NQ. Healthy social media. Okay, that's pretty dope, man. I hope it all works out, brother. Multiple streams is the dream. Okay, some nice light volume on the 1 minute retracement. It's got to stay around that 560 though. I wouldn't be mad at 550. Dang, big time. That sounds really solid. That's two candle pullback. That's plenty. Plenty. Yeah, no doubt. Bruh, BDSX is just done ran off with the plug, bro. Ran off. Yeah, there was just no way in for me on that one. Wasn't meant to be. Straight up. $2. I'm doing a tier system. a ladder system, maybe you can call it, where 15R to the next level. And if I lose 6R, I drop a level. So right now I'm down 2.8R on the 2R tier, which I'm not going, I don't know, I may drop to $1 if I get to 6R. But I think $2 is a cool spot to chill. At least I can make commissions back when I win. I thought EVTV, I was worried about EVTV having too many halts because how cheap it was. And actually look kind of cool right here. I had a mind to take some through 560. That would have been like a 1-to-1. Nah, doubling every 15R. So it can go up quick. You know, the more consistent I win, the faster we can increase. So I'm gonna go from 2 to 5, and then it'll be an even double from there. 5 to 10 to 20, 40 on the way up. So it's all up to me. This will be another good buy right here. Yeah, I just realized there was just no reason for me to be risking uh a lot of money. Like it makes more sense to start at the bottom and work your way up. Like even risking $10 a trade, like why? You know, if I'm not actually, if I haven't proven to myself consistency, there's just, you know, you can learn those lessons really cheap, man. You know, so why not? It's like pick your tuition. I appreciate it, Bobby. It's been a long, 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 long time coming, man. Of just like almost, I mean, it's embarrassing how hard it is just to do what I said I was gonna do. You know, like dang, bro, like how you talking to yourself in the mirror, bro? Like what's going on here, man? Get it together, man. Yeah, BDX is gone, bro. Maybe we'll get a trade at like 10:30 or something. Back at 750. But that joint gone. I was feeling like that too, man. As my rule break number has been going up, I still been catching L's, and I still been taking some poor trades here and there. Well, a lot of them, but at least I'm not shooting myself in the foot by doing the egregious things like trading past max loss, trading outside of my window, and things like that. So now I can actually just focus on executing the strategy and not tripping over my feet by breaking all these outside rules. Hmm, that's what's up. Man, I'm scared up there, Bobby. Yeah, I hear that BLT. It's like when you're playing a probability game, it's hard to sit with one trade a day. Feel like you're not giving yourself a fair shot, and it makes you, mess with your mental, have you doing stuff like you said, holding stuff too long, and this is my one trade, it's got to work type deal. I think I broke my rules, y'all. Not even thinking about it. I think this is where I actually should be entering the trade. This is totally a lower low. I just been watching this setup off the opening dip. Yeah, I should have got in at the break of 547 just now in this candle. So this would be my entry. Hmm. Yo. Ooh, if we can get over 570, 572. Yeah, this was the ad. This is the buy right here. It's not a bad consolidation, Bobby. It's on the one though. I don't know how significant that is for you. That's the one with the earnings, right? OM earnings and appointing of a somebody. This $1 level on ETTV coming into play here. Hiring, not earnings. I thought they said they released their unaudited. Oh gosh, I gotta stop using the hotkeys. The hotkeys are broken. Something's wrong with the hotkeys. I wonder if that means the hot buttons too. Bro, stop playing with me right now. What is this? Now they done changed my like yeah, we gotta redo everything today. I don't know what the heck is going on. This is gross. Man, I thought that was about to be the run. Man, my levels are gone again. Bruh, I don't know. My platform been lagging out all morning. Every time I press a hotkey, it shuts down. And now it's I think I can get out of this at uh 5:40 and try again if it comes back up. Or leave my stop low a day. Trust the process. Definitely we get through 570. I'm moving my stop up to 536. It really moved off of that 1 minute. I mean off of that level. Yeah, that was beautiful. This was beautiful. Man. Now that would have been a nice dark entry right there. Yeah, volume's pretty much dead on this. I don't think anybody cares about it. Hmm. That's positive. Oh man, BLT. Yeah, if I was watching this, this would have been a beaut. A beaut indeed. Yeah, this don't look like it, man. Nice low buy though. Yeah, the sellers got this one, man. Hella jumped the gun. You called it, Bobby. Damn, that looked like a play right there off pre-market high. Take it right there. But we ain't buying up that high no more. Let's just see what happens here. Yeah, the thing is, I want to do the Dirk entry with my setup, not the opening dip. Um, that's the only thing. But my setup would have got me in right here at 547, and I would have gotten stopped out already below at 536. I mean, I'm here now, bro. You know, I'm here now. Yeah. I'm trying to move towards attacking the level because I see the entry a lot, but I have all these rules that make me buy higher. So I'm trying to get better at buying closer to the level, and that's where I want to use the Dirk entry. I feel like if I'm staying in this trade, I should be adding. But I hate taking a 2R loss from one idea. So we'll just ride it out. Lower day stop. I should have sold through 560 though. That's my only regret. And that was P&L trading. I was talking to Trey about it yesterday. Like, if I just sell through the level, then when it pulls back, I can be sitting in some profit. Like during this whole pullback right now, I could have had something, even just a quarter R, just to at least if it stops me out, my loss is less than an R. I need this candle I need more volume. 291, 233. That ain't happening. Can we take out 50? 51 on the ask. Yeah, this was supposed to be my trend line. That's kind of stupid though. Knives popped in earlier. That's what's up. I see buyers. That bid is going up. Yeah, BDSX is way up to me. I need 750. 750. Hmm. Yeah, I totally decided to not even look at EVTV this morning because it closed so cheap. I was expecting a halt fest. Joker ain't even halted once, has it? uh, dang, bro. That was a cool little move. 571, 540 to 571. Yeah, that was 1.5 hours right there. Nice. That's how you do it, Microdon. Okay, that's positive. That's all right, BLT. Stocks are like buses. Miss one, next 15, one coming. Shout out Gucci, man. Maybe my May. It's gonna be an interesting game when that happens, Brian. Gonna be flooded with small account day traders waiting to blow up. Free money. Man, the breakouts are probably gonna be crazy. Shoot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, straight up knives. Yeah, I hear you, BLT. That's what's up, Dirk. Dang, there it is, man. Golly, what a runner. Straight track star. Mm-mm-mm. This was it. Oh, that was my moment. Next time, next time, next time. Nah, I'm chilling, bro. I don't want to chase the squeeze. I think I finally accepted that I am a reversal trader. I I'm watching. Nah, I usually don't mess with the things that close below 75 cent previous day because of the halt factor. But I don't know. I may need to reevaluate that. May need to reevaluate. Yeah, I'm definitely not chasing. I have no desire. I have no FOMO at all about this right here. None. The entry was so long ago for me that it's over with. Just gotta LIG it and sit here and hope that my OM trade works out. I know, Dirk. That was the one. That was the one for sure. That was the one. That's what I tried to do here though on OM. And I just didn't sell like I was supposed to. At least I should have sold on that 5 minute close, the second 5 minute close after my entry. But if I got low a day, then we'll be fine. but it might just die and it won't matter. It's been chilling here for a while though. Still waiting for the buyers to take over though. Still getting the most volume on the red candles. I know, bro. No halt so far. It's wild. That's what I'm saying. I gotta reevaluate. I gotta reevaluate, Dirk. Volume is the only criteria. Hope is a bad word, yeah, but I mean, uh, hope is all there is between your entry and your stop loss. uh, Shoot, Dirk said $2. Hey, that's how you do that, Knives. That's how you do that. I would have wanted 105, but maybe some other time. Yeah, Knives killing them. BLT, you driving yourself mad, bro. Look at the power. Hey man, if y'all checked that, if y'all were here during the Frank saga the last couple weeks, y'all gotta go check out Pond Trading's video he posted, episode 3. He has a nice little story time segment in there that is gold. It's gold. If you've been hanging out, you gotta go check it. It's gold. Yeah, yeah, HH. What was Catalyst on EVTV? Dang, well, you don't come in here disrespectful, HH. uh, I can't, man. My hotkey shuts down my platform right now, so I just gotta sit here and watch. Yeah, the videos, the videos are they're really good. Like I'm super impressed. Like they're even the part that he said was boring was like super entertaining. Like, what are you talking about, bro? Oh, merger $3 per share. Yo, what up, Trey? Bro, I'm getting mad heat right now, Trey, on not trading EVTV. I blame you. uh, yeah, there's not a halt in sight, bro. That joke is just straight to the top. I could have got a way better entry being patient too. like right here. But that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. 10 cent better would have been nice. But I was expecting the V jump. No, bro, I did not. And I was just talking about how I was telling you that I was going to take profit through the levels. But I already had in my mind that I wanted 6. So I did nothing. It went to 571, bro. And I just sat there and looked at it. I can't argue there at all, Brian. I can't argue there at all. Imagine if you said that, Brian, and I was like, "Come on, guys, you don't know what you're talking about." You're gonna see. You're gonna see. The the trend lines talk to me, bro. Yeah, that's a reset candle for me up there. But I mean, this thing got power. It's got power. uh, I'll take that, HH. I wish it did say that. Something's about to happen. I just don't know if it's gonna be in my favor. Yo, did George stream? Said he was gonna. Oh yeah, he did. Our buddy Geo Trade started a channel, streaming his first time today. Shout out George. Sandbox Trader is his name. Bro, every time I pressed my hotkey this morning, my whole platform shut down. And after the last one, when I booted it up, this is what it looked like. I don't even know. I mean, I changed the layout, like the boxes, but the color being white, I don't know what happened, bro. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But I started a new virtual machine with a fresh copy of Windows 11. I didn't have my sign in. And I didn't migrate like my setup files and stuff over to it yet. But by tomorrow, I should have a nice fresh Windows with a fresh DOS installation on it. So hopefully this won't continue. Man, EVTV, another new high a day. 156. Nah, I run Windows on my Mac. See, there's my Windows bar, but it's Mac. Parallels, baby. Yeah, his videos are excellent, Dirk. Your first comment on his video, Dirk, was like mad hating, but I see you're migrating now to a little more supportive. You still sprinkle a little bit in there, but I see the evolution, man. You're doing good, Dirk. You're gonna be a great community member. Yeah, I mean, I gotta trade my setup, man. I can't just because it's going up doesn't mean I can go over there and trade it. My entry on it was here, but I wasn't watching it. So it's just over, you know. It's just over with, bro. It'll be all right. It's tomorrow. It'll be here tomorrow. Market will be here tomorrow, God willing. It's one trade of thousands, man. Now I don't have any level two. Yeah, I jumped the gun. I got a trend line now, but I jumped the gun. I was so I wanted the Dirk entry so bad that I completely disregarded the need for the higher low. Um, which I don't know. I think I might have jumped in here, but I don't think this would not have been a good entry either. It would have had to been here. And I don't see anything like on the volume telling me to take that trade. I still don't see anything. Yeah, I know, bro. It was definitely a scalp, and I did not do my job on the back end. Yeah, I did, Trey. No higher low, man. No higher low. I came in. I wanted the opening dip so bad that I just literally didn't even think about it, man. Didn't even think about it. Yep. Tragic. Just like that. I don't even deserve this win if it goes up. This is true. This is true. Yeah, but I literally said that I was gonna sell like just yesterday. That when I take this entry, I'm selling it through the next level, and it gave me two beautiful green closes, man, and I just sat there. It's okay though. We're learning a good lesson today, and it's not gonna cost much money at all to learn this lesson. So, man, sad to see that seven drop to zero though. What I was thinking though, which I don't think it would be fair to keep a seven, even though I was thinking this, but the 5 minute close, yeah, I don't know. I'll talk about it next time. Yeah, thanks, Dirk. Yeah, I mean, if I would have exited there, it would have been a beautiful trade, even though it was a rule break still. But that's where I want to be at, man. I want that slam into support. I want to buy the break of the next, buy the break of the close on the next candle and sell. I mean, through the next level, or I mean, this was such a good spot to sell into the EMA through the 70. Yeah, wow, 170s. BLT got LIG, bro. That's okay though, man. Because if this thing gets some wheels, even though the volume is literally gone. Ooh, look at the time and sales starting to roll. I wish I could see level two. Like, what's really going on? Maybe if yeah, I think it's just I don't have any. I don't have any. Something's wrong with the Windows side. Like I don't have RAM or something. This sucks, bro. I can't even close it, bro. Oh, look, I'm getting my chart back up at least. I got zero level two. Look at that, Trey. Just wait till I get to my wedge. Entries here, bro. Look at that. Better entry. What is that? 535. Yeah, I'm hurting. I think I'm gonna have to get Parallels Pro again too. They played me. Yeah, I got all the RAM. It's just something happened to this copy of Windows. Like it was saying my memory was full, my hard drive was full on the virtual side. Now there's a reset candle. I gotta stop pressing buttons. Yeah, bro. I gotta chill. This was a good experience. I gotta chill. With the Windows cleaner. That's why I hate Windows, bro. Oh, look at my level twos on EVTV. That's not good. Bro, I would love to see level two though. I really would. I didn't realize how much I liked seeing it right there now that it's gone. Bring it back. Hey, there you go, knives. Let's go. OM looking great on the higher time frames now. The 15 specifically. The one looks good too. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Question is, will I sell at 560 this time? The answer, hell no. Nah. You owe down, OM. I need that $6. Nah, I'll sell if I see a nice volume spike for sure. 570. Gotta let some off through 570. But we'll see. We're buying support levels, HH. Yeah, for sure. Definitely enjoy that. Up is doing that. uh, Dang, what levels did we have for BDSX? 50? Dang. Oh gosh, I gotta stop doing things. I literally gotta stop doing things. I can't. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just gonna keep it on OM and play it out. And we'll try again tomorrow. 7:15. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Came down to 711, bro. That'd have been a real nice entry. I'm about to take off the higher low. That wasn't even that big of a move, bro. I gotta stop trying to switch charts, man. FOMO, is that you? I'm pretty sure I'm just out of memory and space on my virtual machine. It's been giving me errors for weeks. It's just finally come to a place where it's really messing with my ability to do what I'm doing. So I should have done something about it a long time ago. Man, I do not like this weak volume on this move up at all. Well, it's a virtual machine, so the it's virtual storage on my Mac hard drive. But I got some bug, some kind of virus, I think, or something. Because I've been getting what's that error? Um, I can't remember what that thing is called. It's like a helper script that Windows needs, and I had to download it to use a program, and it's been messing up since I did that. So I don't know if I downloaded the wrong one or what, but it's been pretty bad. So I started a fresh Windows operating system. I just need to get it ready to trade. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna just start with a fresh copy, and I'm doing nothing on there but running DOS. It's not gonna have any other apps but DOS. I can't believe I spent my whole day holding this OM trade. My whole window. It's just not enough volume, man. No one cares. Yeah, Billy's engaged on that one. It's gonna have to break some accounts for people to stop. I bought this opening dip on OEM knives, not even thinking about waiting for the higher low or anything. I spent the weekend trying to buy as close to support as possible. And so seeing it slam into my level, I would just attack the break of the close. And yep. even though it's a good trade, but it's not the trade that I'm set up to trade. So that's why I didn't take profit right there. And because if I actually got that at the right spot, the chances of it uptrending into six were a lot higher than buying it on the first bounce. You know, a risk averse trader. Yeah, yeah. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but it can definitely hurt you. Nah, nah. I just had to get knocked back real quick. Just had to get knocked back one more time. Just gonna leave me out here to dry, huh? Yo, BDSX. BDSX in the 750, man. We gonna have to roll. You won't put it on. Yeah, it's on now though. It'll be on tomorrow. God willing. Why am I here? You trade today, Trey? It's just no volume, bro. There's really no reason to hope for anything but a stop out. Mm. Yeah, I listened to a video on the way in about patience and trading. It was pretty nice. And then I came in and jumped on the first dip. It'd be like that sometimes. Oh. Hmm. That's interesting. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Over and over again. Mm. I hear you, Dirk. Yeah. I've definitely noticed the problem of changing constantly. That's been something I wasn't even aware of for a long time. Yeah, it's a lot of steps. Well, it seems like my entry price has become support. Still no volume to speak of. Hmm. Hmm. Above the ask. That's interesting. Hmm. Yeah, I just played myself this morning. I'm uh I'm aware. But I like your macro analysis of, like the overall situation. I get really tied up in the micro price action. Oh, look at that. Got some orders. Could it be? Yeah, indeed, BLT. Got 1 minute left in my trading window. And BDSX has now pulled back to 750 on nice volume too. Man, I want to take that, yo. I really do. Hey, we finally getting some motion over here. 555. We break 556. I'm going to 539 on my stop. I can't even open it at all now. Oh my God. Give me price updates, you guys, please. I guess I can open Webull on my phone. uh, I'm restarting Windows right now. $560 rejection. Thank God. Cool. All right. Bruh, BDSX needs to be traded right now. This is the entry, bro. Right now. I don't know. The volume's not really that positive, but just throw it all out the window, huh, Trey? What a tragedy. Man, I like BDSX right there. Hey, what's up, George? How'd the stream go today, man? You still streaming? That's what's up. How'd the day go? Did you get EVTV? I can't remember what kind of stocks you trade, actually. We've been all Googling EVTV over here. Nice. That's what's up, George. Good looking out on supporting the gang, Brian. Man, I paid dearly for buying too early. Just like used up all my patience. Typical Monday. Yeah, I get it. I get it, HH. I totally get it. I'm just trying to rewire my brain is all. Yeah, that's dope. Hey, my level two's back. I just realized that. Just in time to watch the stop out. Nah, I can't do that, Dirk. Just now starting to move up. Stops pretty much break even, 2 pennies below break even. So let it play out. If we get a new high here, I'll move my stop into the profits at 545. We'll just keep walking up to 5 at this point. I do want a longer candles though. Yeah, but at this point in my day, Bobby, it's over with, man. My trading window closes at 11. I intend to log off the stream at 11:15. So at this point, I'm not willing to give it room to wiggle around anymore. And it's actually started uptrending, so I'm just walking up my stop on the lows and the uptrend line. To see that volume back though, which is still nothing. Mm, my spirit, Dirk. I'd rather take break even than uh exit my trade. What's total R's on that one, Knives? Nice, bro. Excelente. There's no bids under 540. Left it alone. I would not expect him to leave it alone. Yeah, you killed that one nice. Dang, that's a trip, HH. Hey, it's serious business, man. They swinging millions of dollars in the prop firm. It's not a game. Yeah, I just gotta fire myself. Hmm. Yeah, I was surprised too, Trey. I feel like that's happened a couple times recently. That a stock that I was expecting to do a lot of halting didn't really halt that much. Mm. Yeah, that's big money pouring in right there. Looks like it's time to get out of this train. Mm, starting to see a little volume pickup actually. Still super tiny for a 5 minute candle. This is ridiculous. Yep, there goes BDSX off of 750, man. Damn. Yeah, that was nice. Hit at 544, huh? Dang, bro. BDSX. Almost textbook. Almost textbook. Exactly what I wanted to do today on BDSX. Like whole checklist. Right. Reset candle. Boom. High volume. Lower high. This little move right here. Pull back to 750. It's like literally all there. It's all there. See one of these. Freaking all there, bro. All there. Good volume all the way through. This is what this is intended to do right here. it had because the entry happened at after 11. Entry would have been right here at 11:05. Yeah. And I mean, this is really what I needed to wait for on here. At least wait for that. This just really wasn't a clear line to draw on this one. Not from the highs anyway. But I don't mind drawing one from this little trend down here. Still can get in there. I actually had that line up a minute ago. But I'm just ready to get put out of my misery at this point. Yeah, BDSX was hot fire. A little early, ain't it? Backside of the moves. Well, I'm looking for the reversal. And if you're not patient, it's very easy to end up trading backside for sure. Oh, okay. Well, you didn't miss it then. You were done. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. There's no reason for it to rip. Yeah, it's kind of like a technical. It would be a technical an anomaly at this point for it to rip. Yeah, there we go. Can't even get my order filled sound. Lost 27 cents on that trade. Oh. Yeah, it was just a complete breakdown in process this morning. I'm thankful to have only lost a small amount on it. But BDSX is the one. This is my setup right here. This is like my way to wait. My way to keep myself patient through the reversal is to, once I see the reset, the sell candle come in, I'm waiting for the next push up, and I'm expecting it to make a lower high, which is what happened here. Draw your trend line, wait for the test of support, and this is the entry area. Like crazy R's on this trade. Crazy R's. Cause my stop would have been 743 and entry would have been 748. So 5 cent stop at 748 to $8. That's bananas. Bananas. I did, Brian. I did. How many R's would you lose if you traded all trades after 11 minutes or 11 a.m.? Yeah, I know, HH. It's just a habit that I have to build. Damn, bro. I'm happy to see it though. Just seeing it is like a confirmation that if I just be patient, I'll get what I want. If I just be patient, I'll get what I want. And I could have definitely turned this bad trade into a baby dub, but that greed is a hell of a drug. Yeah. And I couldn't sell in the 560 the second time because my platform literally died as it approached 560. We talking about BDSX. Well, my objective is to sell on the big volume coming in. So when I see it rushing up through resistance, what was my other levels on BDSX? 750. I didn't have anything above 750. So yeah, like I'm still working on my sell rules. Third green candle up to me is a mandatory sell. Big volume spike is a mandatory sell. Moving through a level is a mandatory sell. I need to write those things down. Um, had I done that on OM, we would have had a little profit today. Yeah, I've been working on this thing for too long to make that kind of a change now, BLT. And I see it work every day. Like this is literally it. This was my one and done right here. It just happened after my trading window. And like if I treated this the same way, honestly, this would be the reset candle. And it just never really popped up enough to draw a trend line on it. Like this would have been The line of the day right here. That's probably where it's gonna go right there too. Yeah, that's crazy if it bounces right there. It was holding 540 really well too. But yeah, I've added some things to help me be patient for my moment. That's what the trend line is. I'm just not used to drawing it. Exactly, HH. That's what I've been repeating that process in my head over and over. Reset candle, lower high trend line. Reset candle, lower high trend line. Reset candle, lower high trend line. If I can just do that and then take my trades off support as the trend is breaking or nearing to breaking, that's the move. He don't even look at the chart. Yeah, I see. I saw a trader like that recently too. No, I'm doing real money weekly. Yeah, it's actually been blowing my mind, HH, how I've been a trend trader this whole time, like professing to be a trend trader, but never using trend lines until literally just now. So it's just I know it can work. It just requires patience and discipline, which is a weak point of mine, and building new habits, which I can do in the sim. I can speed that process up by being in the sim. I need repentance. Yeah, we getting there. We getting there. Hmm. Yeah, this was nasty work. Hmm. Yeah, see, kind of same thing here. You just got to take that launch into support, but you get the dollar there. You never really get the bounce, but yeah, this one you got to put stop low a day and go for it for sure. We gonna start catching all of these, man. We gonna start catching all of these. Don't worry, we're good. Yeah, this one didn't have the lower high for sure, but I mean, I think you get a clear trend from this though. Yeah, I saw that. Nah. Hmm. Possibly. But this high volume move into into support is like that's what I want. But I'm either waiting for the setup or I'm not. This is crazy if this literally is about to the trend line about to work over here too. That'll be crazy if it just explodes. What was that? 23. There is no higher low, lower high. Yeah, the only reason I wasn't looking at it is because it was too cheap. Hmm. Well, remember, Trey, the essence of the strategy is still the higher low at support. This is supposed to keep me patient, but I mean, essentially, I guess I can't say that. I can't say that and then still say this ain't a good trade. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You are right. Y'all gotta help me with this checklist tomorrow, man. I need to remember. I need to take a bunch of trades in the reset in the replay and just try to practice walking through these steps before a trade. Well, I'm trying to Jedi mind trick myself, Trey, and help myself be patient. That's what all this is. That's what all this is. It was a way to keep me out of this and keep me out of, it's supposed to keep me out of all this. But I skipped the process and failed today. And now it's breaking the trend line. It's gonna go watch. But yeah, all of this is just get me to buy here. Yeah, yeah. I was definitely I wanted I wanted the R's that came with selling at 6. Totally traded my P&L. Totally. Mm. All right, we're gonna stop this right now today. Yeah, we ain't worried about level 2 just yet. Weekly. I'm not even reading my trend line, bro. And that's just a straight line. Level 2 is we'll get there. I already been told, Dirk. Well, I'm not just trading trend lines. The trend line is just yeah, like I minimum I'm gonna hit the quarter button. If I use less, I need to use a smaller percentage to help me share because I want to hold for the higher move. If I lower the percentage, I think it'll help me hit the sell button. Um, I'm making it up now, bro. I'm making it up now. But like, if it's obvious to me that it's time to close the position, then I want to close the position. But I want to allow myself to. I need. I'm gonna have some level of discretion with my sales. I can't. I'm not gonna just nail it all the way down. I need to be able to make the right decision at the right moment. But I do want to force myself to do something at the times that I know I should be doing something. Not enough pain yet. Yeah, I just needed to wait for the dang on trend line, bro. Or I mean, I just needed to not trade it. This stock wasn't meant for me to trade. Yeah, I've seen a couple Tori trades videos. She does the 4 hour trend lines. I was actually thinking about doing some diving into other people's trend line strategies, but yeah, I know, right? Cold world, cold world. Tory trades. Talk about Bay. Hey, you ain't lying, HH. You ain't lying. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if I'm adopting them and somebody's been trading them for years, it just makes sense to, hear what they might have to say, hear what they have to say about it. uh, but see, this is even though I did nothing today, I sat through this for 27 cents and then probably another 27 cents in commissions. But I feel like I'll be more patient next time to wait for my trend line. So that's cool. And I mean, I did pick the bottom, but boy, BDSX, man. Oh my God. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. This is sad, but that's okay. It's going down. It's going down. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get out of here, man. It's heading that way. It's heading that way. All right, man. Y'all hit that like button for me, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And I will catch y'all tomorrow. Peace. Bruh, I'm sitting here watching it, Eric. Literally the candle after I get out, two candles after I get out, bro. Cold world. I'm in on the trend lines, bro. I'm literally like about to be done. Like, bro, look at BDSX, man. It's nice to see something work though. I think I can do this consistently. We'll see tomorrow though. Later.